How's everyone doing this week? Welcome to week 9. In week 9, we're going to be dealing with chapter 15 and chapter 18. And we're going to be doing discussion board number 5. I think this week is really a cool week because it really shows some connection with how we look at public-private goods and externalities. When you look at an externality, you're looking at a cost or benefit to a third party. And people really get confused with externalities and the role of the government with externalities. You'll notice the government is really involved when you look at externalities. And that brings about a lot of challenges. An externality is focused on, if you look at a negative externality, that's a cost to a third party. Whereas a positive externality is an actual benefit to a third party. When you look at negative, positive externalities, you're going to look at over and under production that occurs with these. And when you have these over and under production, it's going to create a lot of challenges in our economy. What role is the government going to be involved in? So externalities, important concept, and it's a type of market failure that people get confused about. And when I say market failure is whenever the government has to get involved to bring about market equilibrium. So examples of market failure could be monopolies, market power, externalities, public goods. All of those you see the government more involved in. And the reason the government has to be more involved is they have to protect the economy and bring about market solutions. Now, for this week, we're going to be looking at the discussion board question. And in the discussion board, you want to focus on the first post by Thursday and 2 peer responses by Saturday. In that initial post, you want an in-text citation and reference and APA formatting to support your work. But what you're looking at is, you're a financial consultant and you recently had someone come into your office and stated that he's retiring, needs your advice. He has 2 options. Should he accept a lump sum payment or accept smaller annual payments that will continue for as long as he lives? How would you advise this customer? What other information do you need? That's the key part of the question. What other information do you need? Because a lot of people skip over that part of the question. You need other information to know and to accurately estimate that question. So what's other questions that you would want to bring up to help outline what is needed? Okay? And I think you'll find that interesting. So you're looking at it as a consultant and really evaluating what a consultant needs to support your decision. And what are your decision? Which one do you support? Okay? Do you support the lump sum payment or do you support a payment over time? Don't you wish we all had this scenario where we could actually deal with this and say, yeah, I wish I had won the lottery and be able to deal with this. If you need anything for this week, let me know. But I look forward to your effort.